In times of crisis, the prospect of being relocated to a FEMA camp can be a daunting thought for many. However, with careful planning and preparation, individuals can take proactive steps to avoid such scenarios altogether. By understanding the risks, staying informed, and being self-reliant, it's possible to navigate emergencies while maintaining autonomy and security. Here are 6 strategies to help you avoid being relocated into a FEMA camp. Number 1 is being prepared enough to not need to seek out resources. This emphasizes the importance of self-reliance through preparedness. By having a well-stocked survival kit and necessary supplies, individuals can reduce their need to seek out assistance from FEMA or other agencies during emergencies. This minimizes the risk of being rounded up into a FEMA camp, while also ensuring personal safety and security. Move to a location with a low risk of mandatory evacuation. Understanding the potential risk in one's area, such as flooding, nuclear accidents, or proximity to military bases, can help individuals make informed decisions about where you want to live. Choosing a location with a lower likelihood of mandatory evacuation reduces the overall risk of being directed to a FEMA camp during emergencies. Mark your home with this FEMA marking. This tactic involves marking your home as if it's already been evacuated by search and rescue teams. By doing so, individuals may avoid detection and bypass mandatory evacuation orders. This strategy requires discretion and adheres to light and noise discipline to avoid drawing attention. Build a shelter-in-place kit. In situations where evacuation is not feasible, such as during a biological or chemical emergency, having a shelter-in-place kit is essential. This kit includes supplies to barricade airflow in the home, creating a more airtight environment to protect against external hazards. By staying put and sheltering in place, individuals can avoid the need for evacuation to a FEMA camp altogether. You need to try to have a bug-out location. Establishing a secondary location away from your primary residence provides a backup plan in case of emergency. This bug-out location offers safe haven where individuals can retreat to avoid potential risks or mandatory evacuations. Collaborating with other preppers or even non-prepper friends who have alternate locations can also expand options for shelter during emergencies. You need to stay informed to know what's going to happen before a roundup occurs. Maintaining access to reliable information sources such as amateur radio, CB, ham radio is crucial during emergencies. These communication channels allow individuals to stay updated on developments, including planned evacuations or other directives. By staying informed, individuals can make informed decisions and potentially collaborate with others to navigate an emergency safely without the need for relocation to a FEMA camp. By implementing these strategies, individuals can empower themselves to navigate emergencies with resilience and independence. Remember, preparation and awareness are key to avoiding the need for relocation to FEMA camps. Now, if you made it this far, you should like the video and give us a subscribe. I'm AP, and until next time, I'm out.